Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, it smells like burning. It smells like burning. ये जलने की बू है. Second, there is no Korean. There is no Korean. कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. 3. The weather has been hot. The weather has been hot. मौसम गर्म रहा. 4. She is shy around me. She is shy around me. वो मेरे सामने शर्माती है. 5. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. फजूल बात मत करो. 6. You are such a teaser boy. You are such a teaser boy. तुम एक छेड़ने वाले लड़के हो. 7. He often do bravo on poetry. He often do bravo on poetry. वो अक्सर शायरी पर वाह वाह करता है. 8. What can you do except brag? What can you do except brag? तुम छोड़ने के सिवा कर भी क्या सकते हो. 9. You are such a sinister for me. You are such a sinister for me. तुम मेरे लिए मनूस हो. The last one is 10. I recommend you around your father. I recommend you around your father. मैं तुम्हारे अब्बू के सामने सिफारिश करूँगा. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.